wanted to show you how to fix your bookmark to our class meeting if it is not working, because I tried mine earlier during office hours and it would not work. So if you have bookmarked our class meeting so that it's an easy click right there, but it's saying the link is broken or the link won't work anymore, what you'll want to do is right click the link in the bookmarks bar, click edit, and for my class, Mrs. Nelson's class in particular, you can type in the URL box bit.ly/Nelson class and save it as that. And then when you click it, it will load up our meeting as long as I have a session started. If I haven't started the session, then this won't work at all, but I will always have a session going for our Monday, Wednesday, Friday meetings. And for my office hours from 12 to 1 p.m., you can also access Google Meets to speak with me then. All right, I hope that helps solve any issues you might have. Aloha.